Welcome back to the Car Updates, in a world where innovation never sleeps, where performance meets precision. One name continues to define the compact sedan legacy. This is the 2026 Honda Civic. For decades, the Honda Civic has been more than just a car. It has been a statement, a revolution in motion. And in 2026, that legacy evolves once again, sharper, smarter, and more electrifying than ever before. The first thing you notice is the stance. Lower, wider, more aggressive. The 2026 Civic doesn't just sit on the road, it owns it. A redesigned front fascia commands attention, with razor-thin LED headlights slicing through the night like blades of light. The new honeycomb grille flows seamlessly into sculpted air intakes, enhancing aerodynamics while projecting pure confidence. Every line tells a story, from the flowing character line that stretches from the front fender to the rear taillights, to the fastback-inspired roof line that gives it a coupe-like silhouette. This is no ordinary sedan. This is precision-crafted motion. Step closer. New 18 and 19-inch alloy wheel designs fill the arches with authority. The redesigned LED taillights create a futuristic light signature that turns every departure into a dramatic exit. But beauty without purpose means nothing, and this Civic was engineered with purpose under the hood. The 2026 Honda Civic offers refined powertrain options built for balance and efficiency. The advanced 2.0-liter inline-4 delivers smooth, reliable performance for everyday confidence. For those who crave more thrill, the upgraded 1.5-liter turbocharged engine produces sharper acceleration, improved torque delivery, and a driving experience that feels alive at every press of the pedal. And for the future-focused driver, the available hybrid variant redefines efficiency without sacrificing excitement. Instant torque, whisper-quiet cruising, smarter fuel economy. Its evolution, perfectly tuned. Paired with a refined CVT and enhanced chassis dynamics, the Civic responds instantly. Steering is tighter, suspension is recalibrated, cornering feels confident and composed. This isn't just transportation, it's connection. Slide inside, and the world transforms. Minimalist, modern, intelligent. The 2026 Civic interior is a masterclass in clean design. A fully digital instrument cluster greets you with customizable displays. At the center, a larger floating touchscreen infotainment system puts everything within reach. Navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and seamless connectivity. Soft touch materials wrap the dashboard. Premium stitching lines the seats. Ambient lighting sets the mood for every drive, whether it's a late-night cruise through the city or a sunrise highway escape. Space has always been a Civic strength, and 2026 continues that tradition. Comfortable rear seating, generous legroom, a trunk ready for weekend adventures or everyday life. But innovation doesn't stop at comfort. It protects you. The latest Honda Sensing Suite surrounds you with intelligence, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation braking, working together in harmony, not to take over the drive, but to empower it. This is technology that feels human. On the road, the Civic is balanced, composed, effortless. It glides when you need comfort. It sharpens when you demand performance. The improved sound insulation creates a quieter cabin, allowing you to hear what matters, your music, your thoughts. The subtle growl of acceleration. Fuel efficiency remains a benchmark in its class, delivering impressive miles per gallon without compromising driving pleasure. And then there's the personality. Sport trims amplify the attitude with blacked out accents, aggressive wheels, sport pedals, and paddle shifters. The Civic doesn't just adapt to your lifestyle, it reflects it. Young professionals, first-time buyers, driving enthusiasts, families. The Civic speaks to all of them because it was built for all of them. From city streets to open highways, from daily commutes to spontaneous road trips, the 2026 Honda Civic proves that practical doesn't have to mean predictable. It proves that efficiency can be exciting, that technology can be intuitive, and that legacy can continue to evolve without losing its soul. This is not just the next Civic. It's the next chapter. Sharper design, smarter engineering, stronger presence. The 2026 Honda Civic, engineered for the future and ready for whatever road lies ahead.